In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. This is the Please Donate game where you can make a booth, ask people to donate Robux to you, and try and get a little in-game currency. So first, you can go ahead and type in the search bar, just PLS donate. And then here it shows that experience. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to join. And then once you've joined, you can move around. Oh, what the? And you can go to a booth and you can go ahead and claim an unclaimed stand. So as you can see, I've claimed this stand, and you can go ahead and click edit. And you can edit the booth text. You can name it whatever you want. There's a big booth. And then you can see it's applied there. You can see that's my big booth. And it shows the different game passes that I've made. Now, if you want to make the passes for your booth and Please Donate, you're not going to be able to do it on the mobile app. You have to do it on a browser on your phone. So I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the game. I'm going to open up a browser and I'm going to type in roblox.com. And then once I'm on the site, I'm not going to continue in app. I'm going to click that little gray button on the bottom that says continue in browser. And then once I've continued in the browser, I'm going to want to go to the desktop mode of this browser, not the mobile version. So on this, you're going to want to go into the settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and click these little lines on the bottom left here that says Roblox. I'm going to click on these three dots on the right, and I'm going to click on Request Desktop Website. Great. Now that I'm on the desktop website, I'm going to go ahead and click Create on the top navigation. And then once I've clicked on the Creator Hub, I'm going to want to go to My Experience. So you can see it's my place. This is default for everyone. They're going to have their own place. So go ahead and click into that experience. And then once you're in that experience, click on the hamburger menu, the top three lines, the top of the screen, and scroll down and make our passes. So under the monetization tab, we're going to click on passes. And then here we can create a pass. You can see I've already created passes. So you can go ahead and click create a pass. Add in an image, whatever image you want, as long as it follows the guidelines. Type in the name, Big Booth Dono, and then you can type in the description. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Create Pass. And now that the pass is created, I'm going to go ahead and click into it because I need to enable it. So click into the new pass you created. And in this game pass, you're going to want to click on the menu we were just in, so the top three lines on the top left. And then you can see here there's basic settings and sales. Click on sales. And then there's this price button where it says item for sale. Go ahead and click on that so we can turn it on. And then we can list the default price. I'm going to click 10. And then I'm going to click save changes. So that's how you put it on sale. I'm going to click proceed. Perfect. Now those game passes are now enabled to use in the Please Donate experience. So now we can go back into the Roblox app. Now that we're back into Roblox, we can go ahead and click into the Please Donate experience and join. Once we're in, now you can go back to a booth and claim it. And now you can see my game passes, the ones that I just created and the ones that I had there before. And you can see it even saved my previous settings. So it's named Big Booth. So there's my stand. And that's how you play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel.